Hello everyone, welcome to geekermag. In this video, I will guide you through the steps to fix an issue where PS5 randomly turns off while playing games. It can be super frustrating, but don't worry, this fix is quick and effective. So let's get right into it. First, go to settings menu by selecting cogwheel icon in the top right corner of your PS5 home screen. Now navigate to user and account, other, restore licenses. Check the box for all the games. Then select restore button. This should only take few seconds, around 5 to 10, and you will get a confirmation once it's done. Next, go back to main settings. Then go to system, power saving. Set time until PS5 enter rest mode. You will see two options during media playback, while playing games. For both, change the drop-down setting to don't put in rest mode. This prevents your console from shutting down automatically during the long play sessions. Return to the main settings screen and head over to Save Data and Game App Settings, Game Presets. On the right side, select Performance Mode or Resolution Mode and choose Performance Mode from the drop-down. This ensures your PS5 runs games in a more stable performance configuration. Now go to System, HDMI, and on the right side, turn off the HDMI device link setting. This can prevent your PS5 from turning off unexpectedly due to interaction with your TV or external devices. Finally, press the PS button, open the power menu, and restart your PS5. After completing all these steps, your console should no longer shut down on its own while gaming. So that's all for this video, and if you find this video useful in any way, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel to get notifications about more similar videos. Thanks for watching.